Alright, here's the one pug. You always seem like you're asking if somebody's chooching. Guess what, buddy? I'm gonna be chooching. Yeah. Yeah, breathing antlers. Yeah. Sound like a fucking Canadian. I'm from New York. What the fuck is this? Alright, I'm close enough. Alright, pug. This is for you. One pug life. Choochin. Choochin. Yeah. Anyway. I'm running out of chooches. So we got some good news today. My grandparents' new truck, 2011 GMC Sierra 1500, the 1500 class, just came in, brand spanking new. I think it only has like 74 miles on it. That's, you know, nothing at all. When I get a chance, I'll get some video of that thing out there. That thing's pretty sweet. It's got heated seats, backup assist, easy lift tailgate. Yeah, those things are pretty freaking wow. An easy lift tailgate? Damn. And Pug, I just got done watching your video on them goose on the not the I-190, the interstate there. And ooh, man, if I knew those companies, I'd let you know, man. Those guys are a bunch of goose. We got them up here. We got them in New York too. They drive rigs like that, and the only blessing we have is we have DWI stops during the winter, summer, every season. Yeah. Figure out what the hell I'm gonna do with these. I can't leave these out all winter. Put them behind the garage maybe, where I put all the rest of my crap. Haven't gotten snow in a couple days. I'm kind of shocked about it. We haven't gotten anything. It's actually warmed up to the point where snow has melted off the streets. Gone, just melted. I'm shocked about it. And something that I really hope that people do. You know, I do it because I'm a firefighter's child. Is I don't know if you can see over there, but there's a fire hydrant. We shovel off that fire hydrant, you know, in case there's ever a fire. Firefighters don't have to shovel it off then. You know, it's a safety thing, guys. I'll stress it out, you know, I forgot to do it, you know. I felt real bad about it. Maybe you can see it now. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, see? Shovel around it. Keep you guys safe. But, freaking trains. Come on, you goose. You gotta come out. You gotta come out here at 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock at night. What? I don't even know the freaking time. But, yeah. Just got done with the girl. Hanging out with the girlfriend a little bit. You fucking goof. Every fucking night. What? What the fuck are they taking? That is so important. It can't wait till daylight hours. You know what I mean? Should really have set times on this. Ah, yes, my snowmobile valve dinked over. Tires shot. You know, crap. Yeah. Next time we get some snow, I'll show you how crappy my snowblower is. Alright guys, I got like 2 seconds left. Bye. Oh, no. Wow, it's actually going to record over 5 minutes. I can't record much because I don't have a memory card. So, yeah. Alright, guys. I'll see you later. Bye.